Are you looking to grow your website's audience and keep visitors engaged long after they've left your site? Today, I'll show you step by step how to add a newsletter to your WordPress website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a dedicated newsletter page up and ready, making it easy for your visitors to subscribe and stay connected with all your latest updates and offers. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard and head over to your website. From here, we're going to focus on the header section. That's because the header is one of the first things your visitors see when they land on your site, and placing a newsletter link here is the perfect way to make sure it catches their attention. So go to your header area and click Edit. The exact way you do this might depend a little on your theme. Sometimes you'll have a customized button. Other times you might see something like Edit with Elementor or another page builder. Just look for an option connected to your header area. Once you're in edit mode, look for the plus button. This is your add block or add element button. It's usually a plus sign, and sometimes it's up in the menu or floating nearby when you hover over a section. Go ahead and click that. Now in the search bar that appears, type in the word newsletter. This will show you any available blocks or templates related to newsletters that your theme or installed plugins might offer. If you don't already see an existing newsletter option or block, don't worry. This is totally normal, especially if you're adding this feature for the first time. That's why we're going to create a brand new page dedicated specifically to your newsletter. You should see an option that says Create Page or something along those lines. Click on that, and when it prompts you for a page name, just type in Newsletter. Naming your page clearly is important. It helps your visitors instantly understand what the page is about, and it's also better for your website's organization. Now, before you publish, there's a quick but important step. Check that the setting says Publish Immediately. This ensures your new newsletter page goes live as soon as you're ready, without any delay or scheduled timing. Once you've double-checked that, go ahead and click Create Page. This part might take a few moments as WordPress saves your changes, so don't worry if there's a short pause. Congratulations! You've now set up a dedicated newsletter page, linked it right from your site's header, and made it immediately accessible to your visitors. Adding a newsletter is a bit like putting up a welcome mat on your digital doorstep. It invites people to stay in touch and can make a real difference in building your community. Remember, you can always come back and customize your newsletter page further, add a plugin for subscription forms, or personalize the message your visitors see. Don't be afraid to experiment and make it your own. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more WordPress and website guidance. Got questions about setting up your newsletter or suggestions for future tutorials? Drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and good luck building your audience with your brand new newsletter.